Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ticket ownership and quick prerequisites. You must belong to an alliance, meet the level requirement, and have available raid slots. Once done, open the alliance or events menu and navigate to the raid or ticket section. This is where tickets are consumed. Make sure to verify party size and cooldown timers, because using a ticket with the wrong conditions wastes it. If a target raid requires roles, assign at least one healer or tank before proceeding to ticket redemption. You now redeem the tickets and assemble your team. First, select the desired raid and choose whether to use one or multiple tickets. Confirm auto match if you lack members. Then invite alliance players or let the system fill missing roles, making sure a tank and healer are present. Once the party is formed, assign roles, agree on a simple strategy, and prepare consumables like potions or buffs. After confirming everyone is ready, consume the tickets to lock the raid and trigger the matchmaking or instant start. You finish by executing the raid and securing rewards. During the fight, follow your assigned role, call out mechanics, and focus priority targets to keep momentum. Once the boss falls, confirm loot distribution and claim rewards tied to redeemed tickets. If a player disconnects or matchmaking fails, make an immediate call, use reserves or pause if allowed, otherwise abort and note ticket consumption rules. If tickets do not register, relog. Have the alliance leader reassign raid roles, and contact support with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.